Good morning, YouTube. So today I have something I want to show you, and it's shipped to me from eBay by an eBay seller, and he wanted me to review a knife for him. And so it's a Louis Martin knife. He liked my review. The last time I ordered a knife from him. He liked it, and my review, and he sent me another knife. It's a folder, that's what he said. And I'll put his link on the below. If you like this product, you could click on this link and you can see if you like anything that he has. And so he asked me to do a fair review on this knife. It's a folding knife. It's a Damascus steel. I don't know what the price is that he's asking for, but it is a folder. Wow. Ooh, it's pretty sharp. So this is my AutoZone cheapy knife. I really like this, but the feel of it. Okay, so this is the Louis Martin knife that he sent me. It's pretty nicely made, actually. According to him, it's 10.95 with 15N20 steel meshed together in the Damascus steel style. So it is Damascus steel. That's what they advertise on eBay. So let's see. It's really nice. It's really new. So as you can see, it's oiled up, and yeah, it smells like WD-40 or something like that. I don't know, but it's definitely oil. I don't know if you can see the sheen on my hand, but yeah, it's definitely steel. So my first impression of this knife. This right here is made, the scale here, they call it scale, right? I'm just beginning to learn the technical words for knife. So this looks like it's made out of bone, horn, okay? It is, you could see that it's not really surfaced, flat surfaced. It's rugged and it's edgy. It's rough. Right here, it looks like it's made out of resin wood. So you can see the pin here. That's where they pinned it. And here, this looks like it's made out of Damascus steel too. And it looks like he used an Allen wrench to bolt this, to tighten this down. Same on this side as well. It's actually a nice little holder. I guess I'm so used to the straight edge handle, like this one, so I'm used to that. And this one flips out really fast. This one is really tight. No, it won't do that. So it's not a fast folder, but I think it's because it's still tight because it's brand new, so it's tight. Okay, so and I've seen other brand new knife where it just and it just comes right out. This knife was like that from the start, like that from the start. So let's see. So it's got this little thing right here to catch your thumb to open it. Okay, it's not a fighting knife. So this is a drop point. Okay, the shape of the knife is a drop point, and it's made to be a skinner. Okay, the curvature of this, it's almost like a skinning knife. Okay, so I'm thinking this would be a good skinning knife. So the inside of this, I don't know what it's called. I want to call it a cradle, but it's not really a cradle. But this is a locking mechanism. I'm thinking that this is not steel. I think it's either brass or copper, but if it's copper, it's not this copper that doesn't hold up to stress. So I'm thinking that it's probably brass, because it's goldish in color. Uh, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's have a test on this. Oh, wait. It comes with a sheath. Okay, so as you can see, this one right here, it does not have a clip, like a belt clip. See that? This thing has a belt clip. You can put it on your pocket or belt. I usually put this in my pocket like this, like that. When I need it, pull it out like that. So being that this is a pocket knife, it's there. It's in the pocket. Okay. So whereas this one, it's a folder, but it's not a pocket knife. It comes with a sheath. This is pretty cool. It's a leather sheath. There it is. With this little snap ring there. And I'm thinking this thing goes in like that. Ooh, it's brand new leather. It's kind of tough. Okay. Okay, so it won't go in this way because of this little pin right here. Okay. This is to open. So I'm thinking it goes in like this. Oh, wow. This is tight. Okay. It's leather. It'll stretch. And then, yeah. Oh. So I'm thinking that this is, you loop the belt through here. Okay. So then you can pull it out. You can loop the belt through there and it holds like this. When you need it, just go like that. And then you pull it out sideways. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. Because it's got no belt loop here. So you can wear it like that. But you have to wear it like this. Which is okay with me. Okay, so this goes in like that. It's a brand new sheet. It's tight. And there. Okay, so let's it's really oily. Let me get a rag and I'll be right back. Okay, so have a rag. I'm gonna wipe out the oil. I'm actually pretty excited about this knife. It's a pretty good quality knife. It looks like it from the start, I'll be honest with you. And from the start, the blade looks like it's pretty sharp. Feels sharp. It catches my finger. Okay. Yeah, it feels sharp. It can use a more sharpening. Okay, so this is sort of like equivalent to newspaper clipping. The texture here. Ooh, wow. This is actually pretty sharp, right from the factory. So guys, as far as edge holding, I don't know it yet, but from the start, it looks to be pretty sharp. It'll shave. Okay. So yeah, it could be a little bit more sharper, but for what it does. So this is my knife. I've used it for a long time. I've also kept it sharp. There, see. Whereas this one right here, straight off from the factory, and it's as sharp as this one. So let me know what your thoughts are. I'll put a link to this knife below on the description. If you're interested, go and view it. I don't know how much it is, but I'm thinking that it will not break the bank. Okay, so locking mechanism, guys. See, I'm gonna open this. This right here is the locking mechanism. I'm gonna open it, and there, locks like that. This knife locks like that as well. Watch, I'm gonna open this, Okay, watch. There. That's how it locks up. Okay, so to fold this back, put your thumb right here, press this forward, out, and back. To unlock this knife, press this out like that. Okay, go back like that. I'm just kind of wary about this part right here, that it might, as time goes by, it might fall out. But so far, I have not had any problem with this little thing falling out. It's been rock steady. So this one here is a little bit more heavier than this one. Okay, they're about the same length. Okay. Blade wise, my AutoZone is a little, well, about the same size, the same length. Yeah. How I'm measuring that is, see this part right here? I'm measuring from this part to this part. Watch. Okay. So mine, the AutoZone one, the Smith & Wesson, edged out a little bit. Okay, it's a little bit longer than the Louis Martin ones. But the only way I can do this is to check, to see how long, look at the quality of this, to test this on the long run, to see how it looks like and how it lasts. That's it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are.